I've heard of Ollama, but I know that when we have more than 4 concurrent users and we're in production, it just doesn't make as much sense. Are you on the same
Yeah.
page there?
Yes, I'm on the same page there. Yeah, so Ollama is great though because a lot of people have used Ollama, so they're very familiar with that.
Yeah.
So that is kind of the same thing, right, as vLLM, except it's for a local use case, kind of tinkering around locally.
Right.
But if you start to actually need the model to perform well, you need to support multiple users. You need to hit latency benchmarks, throughput benchmarks. That's when you need to look at kind of an enterprise grade inference engine like vLLM.